Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share for In Love Arts, and this die that I use, I'm going to show it to you, but I'm going to put it together because it's a nesting set, as you can see. Now, I will have the website in the description box along with the link. I'll also put my unboxing and my other project share below if you want to go take a look. Coupon code happycrafter is my coupon code for In Love Art Shop, and you can save some money by using the coupon code. So this right here is the nesting sets. So you get, sorry for that little glare, you get this large one, and then you get that one. That's the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And then you get the fifth one. So you get 5 pieces. So I really like the nesting sets, you know, with the different sizes, so you can layer them up and make them pretty. So the first thing I made here is this card here, and this is how I layered them up. And I just made some flowers and put them there. This card is blank because I don't know what I'm going to use it for. So I left room here. So if I want to, you know, do birthday, Mother's Day is coming up, or just a friendly note. But if I want to put a sentiment, then I have room, I can do that. But these are the 2 pieces that I used for the card. And I believe that is the, yeah, it's the next to the largest size there. So it's the second and third one from the largest on the card. So that will fit perfect on an A2 size card. And that's what that is. That is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now this here, so this is like pretty much a matching set if you want to give a card and a little gift. So I made this box. I'm going to lay that down so you can see it. So I made this box here, and this is the largest die, and then the second to the largest. But what I did is before I ran it through my die cutting machine, I did them like this, and this die is stitched. So I did them like this, and I taped it together. You know, I put it down to where it was even all the way around, and I put some little tape. Then I ran it through the die cutting machine, and that's how I got this frame right here. This right here is just some tulle, and it's like a, see if I can come close. It's like a thicker type of tulle. I don't know exactly what you would call it, but it's more like a screen type, but it's got these little glitter dots on it. But if you can see it, it's like a little thicker than tulle, but it is in the tulle family. And then I just put some little pink shaker stars in there. So I thought that was really cute. So I just made my own little frame. I didn't have to use no foam or anything, because these little sequin stars are like flats. So that is my bag. And I just reinforced it with another white piece, and I embossed it just for sturdiness. Now, I did use 110-pound cardstock, but you still want like extra sturdiness if you can get it. So this is what the box looks like, bag, when you put it together. Got the seam binding for the handle. So that is how it will look. Uh-oh. So that is my bag and card set. So I will have all the links, like I said, in the description box. Tell me what you think. And yeah, make sure you use that coupon code if you go over to In Love Arts. They have a lot of very nice dies. All right, that is it. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.